Welcome ISU faculty and staff. My name is Kay. I work for the History Department. Today we're going to go over the OWL Pro. For most of you, this should already be set up in your classroom, but we want to go over the basics just in case. The OWL Pro is a camera, microphone, and speaker all in one. After the OWL is hooked up, you'll need to download the app. I'm using an Android, but you can also go to the Apple Store. You'll go to your store and type in Meeting Owl. The icon will have a yellow circle with an owl inside. Go ahead and install that. And you'll get this message that requires a location. Go ahead and say OK. Now the app is going to detect any owl that is nearby, so select the proper owl. It is going to register with the owl that's nearest to you. Now there's going to be several other options, but because this owl is already registered, we can start controlling it. If you as a professor want to take control of the owl, you'll click on Camera Controls and Camera Lock. When you say take control, you now have control of where the camera is facing. There is ways to set a password on this, so you as a professor are the only one that is able to control the owl. And that is the app. After you have the OWL hooked up, downloaded the app, and registered it on DeviceNet, now you're ready to see it on Zoom. Open a Zoom meeting. After here, you'll see this screen. Now to connect to the OWL, you'll go down to the left-hand corner of the screen where it says Start Video. There's going to be an arrow right next to that. Click that. In the options, you're going to see Meeting OWL Pro. Make sure there's a check mark next to that. Go ahead and start your video after that. You do this by just clicking where it says Start Video. You'll see a screen that says OWL Labs. Sometimes this can take up to a minute to connect to the OWL. That's okay, it's regular. After that, you're ready to go. The OWL will start picking up you and your students. As you can see, the OWL Pro without a video started on Zoom will have the lights off. After you start your video, you should see the lights come on. If the lights don't come on, your OWL isn't working, and we'll have to troubleshoot that. Once the video is started, the lights are on, the OWL will automatically start picking up voices, so you can start using it with your students and yourself. Right now we have it as just free range. It'll pick up whatever noise that you hear. When we go into the app, you'll see that we can manually control it. Again, this is selecting the OWL, choosing Camera Controls, Camera Lock, then Take Control. Now, I can manually move the camera wherever it is that I would like it to point. And that's the OWL.